Facebook era, buck at it again. I know when I come for talk, I come for talk. I know when I come for talk, I come for talk. For all kind of things spoil. A big girl, one man spoil them. Some man do not look good, some man look like spoil milk. Some man come like a spoil egg. Last night a girl called me and talk about hero. You can't spoil me. Me say yes baby, what you want? Yeah, where a girl said to me, want a Benz. Hey girl, you think me gonna make police shoot me? You think me gonna make sick of your police shoot me? A thief you want me go thief? Me not have a righteous car. Boy, you want man spoil you. You look like a spoiling. Hey girl, don't stress out the hero. And go look walk with your thinking mouth. Someone who talk about spoil. Stop stress out the hero. Let me run. New York cold, and me have to come out here preach. New York out cold, and me have to come out here preach. Boy, you want man spoil you. Spoil it, girl. Facebook hero, buck at it again. I you know when I come for talk, I come for talk. I you know when I come for talk, I come for talk. Think me a blood clot idiot. For slow run a mannequin challenge. I see big election a go on. You see big election a go on. You see me a brass idiot for slow run a mannequin challenge. So you want them Donald Trump a win. See me passport na me and see me bag of clothes there. See me bag of clothes there. You don't not stress me out with this mannequin talents. Go take care of your pitney. Make sure you have pampas. Make sure you go look walk. Sit down now, no mama house I do mannequin pallets. Make sure you go look walk. I'm stressed out. I'm afraid if Donald Trump go win. So I pop my little knapsack here ready. And my bag and my passport ready. Now the thing you can style me. A Facebook hero my name. Facebook hero, buck at it again. I know I'm a come for talk, I know I'm a come for talk. What a wicked girl. Call my phone this morning and I come talk about she 9 hours pregnant. What a wicked girl. Girl wicked man. Call my phone and come talk about you're 9 hours pregnant. I come call me and come talk about mama. You call your mama and tell your mama say rat jump on you. And your mama say I read. When rat jump on you, girl are nasty, I beard, you want beard. My mama say when you breed a lizard jump on you. You think you can't trick the hero girl. A beard go clean up your dirty house, boy, you breed. Big old rat jump on you. When I tell me come over your house, you know, I can't find my shoes and go on your bed, you know. A rat greet me, you know. Rat them in your house, bright, you know. Bright and face, you come about. You're 9 hours pregnant. Girl, me come in your belly, girl. Girl, me come in your belly, girl. Hey, girl, me come in your belly, girl. You're wicked, so. But you're 9 hours pregnant. Big old rat in your house. But you're 9 hours pregnant. My mother say a lizard, you can't trick me. Facebook hero, buck at it again. I know when I come for talk. I know when I come for talk. What's up, you so wicked, what's up, you so wicked. You give them video call, it stress me out. This morning, me dog call me and come talk about, you see me. Yes, me see you with it doesn't shit. With it doesn't matter shit in your eye. You only pa matter in your eye, you come talk about, you see me. Yes, me see you with the whole heap of shit in your eye. All this girl call me and come talk about. Come lay down on my bed. I want to me and ask you, you close them on your pillow. And you close them on your pillow and look up at the side of you. The pampas well want change. You know, say pampas want change. Stop just me out this. With the video call. WhatsApp take it back. Me uninstall it. Me don't want it again. Every minute them a call me. This morning me they call me and show me drunk again. Me don't want to see no junk right now. If you know no big boy, me don't want to see no boy. You come and stress out the hero. Facebook hero, buck at it again. I know I'm a come for talk. Me can't go to the door, Canada too cold. Me have to do the one in our house. But from morning me there, me don't get nothing them. The room service them not top trick me. $150 pay a night. The promoter pay $150 a night. I tell me say from morning me can't take a cup of tea. I don't can't give me. I can run and talk. I can disgrace to no hotel. Boy. When I think you can style me. Hello? Room service is me. I've been wondering when I can have a cup of tea. I swear. Room service on the door, play me. Bring my food, come go no. Hey, me no play my food, you know. Me no play my food and keep, you know. Me no play thing with no now, you know. That I'm gonna know. Man, hey, promoter. Dog. Me chop 3 with 9. Me chop. Facebook hero, buck at it again. I you know me come for talk, me come for talk. I you know me come for talk, me come for talk. Hey girl, up on Instagram. We are trick me and my black brother them. We are taking picture of them so. Also, we make on the body look big. And then we run up in our no DM. And when we meet to know in a real life, on the body tingy. On the body tingy. Girl, your body tingy. When I call it body accessories. Me don't know any name, but me no business for no laugh after me body accessories. Who no girl a trick we? Cock up on the body on the sink I count so in our bathroom. Then me and the black brother them run up in our no DM. Then you no trick me and my black brother them girl no fit tap me. Let me run. Me tired. Let me turn back, me can't run go way down there so. Body accessories. Girl, your feet body I take picture so. And they put one hand on him. And they go so like when I run off. Hey girl.
Yo, Vaga, big woman thing. You know why more time I chat some song, them have to shot? The realest. They know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash.
I got beans, cream, potatoes, tomatoes.